If you want to remove a SIM card from a POCO M8 5G, first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, and we can also find the SIM tray here with the SIM tray hole. Now we need to use the eject tool that you can find, for example, inside the box of POCO M8 5G, and we need to use the eject tool to put it into this SIM tray hole. So let's just put it in, there we go, and once you put it in, push into the phone with a little bit of force to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Once that happens, we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove it from the phone. Once the SIM tray is removed, now we can remove our cards. So in my case, I have SIM card over here. This is the second SIM, which I can just take out with my finger quite easily. And then here, if you have just one SIM card, then on the reverse side, we have these little holes. So you can, for example, use the eject tool. If you have trouble with removing the card, we can use the eject tool and just poke it from this side. There we go. And of course, make sure to not drop and lose your SIM. Remember to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Slide it all the way in with your finger. Make sure that it doesn't stick out. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.